1, 2, 3. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm with my dad. Right, basically the closest middle school to my house. It's Cesar Chavez, and we got some RC cars. We haven't played with these in like 5 years. We got a ramp, we got cones. We're gonna come up with a course, and we're gonna have a little father-son competition.
I'm gonna kick his ass.
Let's get to it. So we got the cars on the line, batteries in. We're just trying to test out the cars. You know, Dad fixed them up yesterday. The battery is a little iffy, so gotta test them out. So we have a little course here. We got a little crater going. So we're doing 2 laps around this crater. Then we're going to that tree, go around that tree as well. That's our finish line down there, where the cone and Henry's soccer cleat is. Shout out him. So do a test run first. Here we go. So Dad won the first race. Hopefully I can get this win. We're going again.
Dude, you gotta get harder on the rig.
Ready? I won that one.
I protected people, the pedestrians. He was ramming them.
Obviously, they're still alive. I found out there's a GoPro mount in this car. We're gonna try an exhibition race. We're just gonna try this GoPro mount and see how it goes. Let's go. Won that one. He flipped over there by the tree. It's all good. I finally got a win. We got the battery dead on this car. Dad won 2-0. I won an exhibition race, but doesn't count, obviously. Look at that. Take all the leaves out. So we're gonna try out these little mini cars next. They're really just for road, so we're gonna go down there next race. So my dad just set up a track with the cones. He's got a little triangle going. Oh, we got a square. We got Henry Shoe using a square. There it is. I got the camera mount set up. Hopefully that works. I got the green lean machine. What's yours called?
Old Blue.
Old Blue. Here we go. We're recording. Let's get it.
Three laps.
3 laps.
Count them out.
The crack is the finish line. I lost the first race again. I'm taking a lot of L's today. We're gonna go again though. We're gonna go again. He did play a little dirty. He hit me. He hit me on the inside. I'm gonna get him this time. God, see this cheater right here? Cheater! Boy, it's dirty! Hitting me!
Another session of Mason cheating.
Here we go. Try number 2. kicked out here. Jesus.
I got a new one. This cone, shoe to the basketball stand and then back. You good? Tired of losing today, son? It's okay.
Come on.
It's okay.
We just finished up. Dad's getting up the cone, or gathering up the cones. Shout out Henry for the shoe. Put his @ in the description. His Instagram account. The start and finish line right here. Size 9 football cleat. Yep. Took a bunch of L's today. You know, that was good. The cars are running okay, pretty decent. The batteries die out pretty early. We're gonna have to figure that out. It's all a learning curve. It's been a long time. So hope you like this video. Catch you next time, legends.